Imagine waking up to see a coin you mined on your phone suddenly exploding in value. Out of nowhere, it climbs 35% in a single day, shatters the $1 barrier, and starts outperforming coins like Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash. Sounds impossible, right? But that's exactly what's happening right now with Pi Network. The price just soared to $1.29, the market cap has crossed $8 billion, and all eyes are turning to this once-dismissed project. What's really driving this surge? Why are whales making massive moves? And could Pi be preparing for a game-changing moment that rockets it into the top 10 coins globally? If you think this is just hype, think again. Stay with me, because what's unfolding behind the scenes might just reshape the future of Pi and possibly your portfolio. Welcome back, and if you've been tracking Pi Network lately, you already know something big is unfolding. In the past 24 hours alone, Pi has pulled off one of its most significant price moves ever, surging by a staggering 35% and pushing its value up to $1.29. This breakout is more than just a number on a chart, it marks a major psychological milestone for a project that many considered too experimental just months ago. The crypto market is reacting in real time to this movement, and the surge didn't happen in a vacuum. Behind this dramatic price spike are some serious market players making waves. One of the first catalysts was a sudden, massive transfer of Pi by a whale. 70 million Pi coins were moved off an exchange in a single transaction. That alone sparked the first wave of price growth. Then, shortly after, another 20 million coins were removed from OKX, one of the top crypto exchanges. These massive withdrawals have one very clear implication: the whales are taking their coins off the market, reducing liquidity, and signaling they're ready to hold, not sell. And when that happens, especially with a coin like Pi that's still ramping up its exchange presence, prices don't just move, they erupt. As the whales made their moves, retail traders flooded in. The reaction was fast and furious. Trading volumes exploded, surpassing the $1 billion mark, a whopping 278% increase in activity almost overnight. To put it simply, the Pi market became supercharged. Suddenly, what was once a quiet coin mined quietly on smartphones became the center of attention on every major trading forum, Telegram group, and YouTube livestream. And while other well-known altcoins like Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash saw modest upticks, Pi stood out with growth that left the rest of the market trailing. This incredible momentum pushed Pi Network's total market value to over $8 billion. That's not just a number, it's a statement. It means Pi leapfrogged long-established cryptocurrencies and now holds the 14th spot in global rankings on CoinMarketCap. This rise isn't just a fluke. It's a signal. A message that the community behind Pi is strong, that investor interest is rising, and that Pi might be preparing for something even bigger. And there's a reason why this is all happening now. Timing is everything in crypto, and we are on the cusp of a key moment, the Mid-May Consensus Summit. It's one of the biggest annual events in the blockchain world. Industry leaders, innovators, and investors from around the globe come together, and this year, all signs point to Pi Network stepping into the spotlight. Speculation is growing fast that Pi's core team could use this event to drop a major announcement, one that could ignite a long-term rally. Whether it's the official rollout of Mainnet access, an expansion of KYC access to more users, or a high-profile exchange listing, the buzz is real, and the community is locked in. Even more telling is how the Pi core team is engaging in the market. Reports are emerging that the team is actively purchasing Pi from exchanges. That's right, they're stepping in to buy back their own token. This kind of intervention is rare and tells us two things. First, they're looking to stabilize the price after the most recent token distribution. And second, they're committed to building trust and maintaining a healthy market environment. This isn't just some community-driven pump and dump. It's strategic, and it's smart. What makes this even more interesting is Pi's unique positioning. Unlike other cryptocurrencies that require complex mining rigs and expensive GPUs, Pi is mined through a mobile app, making it more accessible than almost any other token on the market. That accessibility has helped Pi amass a user base of over 50 million people globally. This isn't just a community, it's an army. And now that army is watching the price, getting verified through KYC, and preparing to actively participate in the open network. That's not just hype, that's momentum. And now let's talk about the elephant in the room, Binance. Rumors have been swirling for days that Pi Network may be preparing for a listing on the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. These rumors were ignited after some sharp-eyed blockchain trackers noticed test transactions involving Pi that appear to be connected to Binance systems. While there has been no official confirmation yet, the excitement is building fast. The mere possibility of a Binance listing is enough to create serious price pressure and draw in a wave of new investors. And if that listing actually happens? It could mark the moment Pi enters the mainstream crypto conversation for good. But with all this excitement, let's not forget the volatility that comes with it. The crypto market can be brutal, and price surges like this are often followed by corrections. We've seen it before. Rapid gains attract opportunistic investors, but without solid news to back it up, momentum can fade quickly. That's why it's crucial to approach the current Pi rally with both optimism and caution. For those thinking about jumping in or trading Pi, always consider risk management. Don't invest based on hype alone, stay informed. Do your research and understand what's truly moving the market. Still, for all the noise and speculation, it's hard to ignore the fact that something is changing. Pi Network is no longer the underdog project that skeptics laughed off. It's rapidly becoming a serious player in the crypto space. With a growing market cap, explosive volume, whale interest, retail frenzy, and a core team that's actively shaping the market, Pi is showing signs of real strength. And with May 14th fast approaching, the crypto world is watching closely. If the core team delivers the kind of news many are expecting, whether it's full mainnet integration, major exchange listings, or expanded utility through apps and commerce, this could be the launchpad moment for Pi. The moment it moves from potential to powerhouse. So now the question is, are we witnessing a short-term price spike fueled by rumors and excitement? Or is this the start of a historic breakout that takes Pi into the top 10 cryptocurrencies worldwide? We'll be keeping a close eye on what happens next, and we'll be here to break it all down as it unfolds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a major update in the Pi Network journey. And let us know in the comments, do you think Pi will hit $5 before the end of the year? What are your price predictions? Until next time, stay curious, stay cautious, and stay ahead of the game in the world of crypto.